Inspiring sustainable living. Unilever's 5 levers for change. A huge part of the impact of our business comes from people using our products. So inspiring them to use our products in more sustainable ways is a big priority for us. From washing clothes at lower temperatures, which cuts carbon, to washing their hands more often, which cuts disease. But people aren't robots. We can't be programmed. Instead, there are lots of things that influence the way we behave. So we've been working with experts to create an approach that helps us motivate people to shift to sustainable behaviours. Here's how it works. First, we need to identify the behaviour we want to change, and the more sustainable one we want to change it to. Then we try to find out what stops people from doing the more sustainable thing. What could get them to start, and what could get them to stick with the new behaviour. Then it's time for the 5 levers for change, a practical approach that applies 5 behaviour filters to insights that will get people to do things differently. Lever 1. Make it understood. If there's a lack of understanding, make sure people know what to do and why it's a good thing to do it. Lever 2. Make it easy. People follow the path of least resistance, so new behaviours can't be too difficult. Make the new behaviour easy and reassure people that they can do it for themselves. Lever 3. Make it desirable. People are influenced by other people. Make the new behaviour fit with how people like to think of themselves and how they like others to think of them. Lever 4. Make it rewarding. People need feedback. Make sure people are convinced it's working and it's worthwhile. Lever 5. Make it a habit. It takes time for a new behaviour to become a habit. Reminders help reinforce behaviours and form new habits. Catch people with reminders when they're about to do the behaviour so they remember to do the right one. If we apply the right mix of the 5 levers for change, we'll take a big step towards inspiring sustainable living. And with 2 billion people using our products every day, it'll add up to a big difference. A really big difference.